God bless you. God bless you. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right. In the vision of the night, I saw like a meeting. There was a meeting I saw in the spirit realm, and this meeting is a meeting of APC guys. I saw APC guys gathered, or I don't want to call them guys. They are elderly men. Like the president was in that meeting, the vice, his wife, even the APC chairman was in that meeting. And when I looked, I don't know, I couldn't see or I didn't hear the details of the discussion I had them having in that meeting. I can't tell the details of the meeting they were having, but I still remember after that meeting we saw on the news, and they were congratulating Professor Yatawate or something like that, the APC current APC chairman. Is he Yalewata or something like that? I don't know his name that much. He was being congratulated. I don't know if it's as though that he was given a higher appointment, or maybe I can't tell now. Maybe it was a decision to give him either get it. I'm looking at this as a higher appointment. It could be as chief of staff to the president, or if he's not chief of staff, or maybe his vice. I can tell, maybe his vice, so he can complement Muslim Christian ticket, or maybe as secretary of the state, of the nation or something. I can't tell, of the government. But I saw that there was congratulatory message that was coming for him, like NTA, literally all the news platform carried that news. I believe it's not far from now. It may not be up to 3 months from now. I don't know why I saw him being congratulated. Your congratulations were coming. I can't tell if it's now, next month or so. I can't tell when this will happen, but I know I saw that. Yes, this morning, precisely this morning, I woke up this morning and that is what I saw. I saw him being congratulated. I saw him being congratulated. They were congratulating him, and I'm trying to check or trying to look on that situation, on that matter, to know why he was being congratulated, but I didn't get that. I didn't get that. It was like a meeting, APC caucus meeting, or caucus meeting, they call it. It was a meeting they were in, and after that meeting, I saw them clapping. Yes, I saw everyone in that meeting was clapping, and then they raised the hand of this professor. Is it Yaloto? Yaloto, his hand was raised. Did you get? His hands were raised? So, and then on the news, they were celebrating him and the rest. I don't know what happened. I don't know what appointment was given to him, but this is what I saw. The Lord bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment, and the Lord bless you in Jesus' name.